Hello, welcome to This and That. I'm cleaning windows today. Have a half a bucket of cold water, some of this jet dry, couple of squirts, and a sponge, a razor blade, and a squeegee, and either newspapers or a towel. I use a squeegee after I put on the fluid. Start from the top, work your way down to the bottom. Then you dry it with the towel. If you have a paint mark or a smear, just take your razor blade and wipe it off. As you see, the windows are clear. Thank you for watching.